The Rocky Mountain ATV MC World Off-Road Championship Series, brought to you by DWT, Dirt Wheels Magazine, and the official support vehicle, Can-Am. Round 6 brings us to Pala Raceway, presented by FMF and Maxxis Tires.